Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe are the best personal tissue packs available on the market. The Kleenex 16 Pocket Packs, conveniently packaged with 10 packs per box. If you're someone who values having tissues on hand wherever you go, this product is definitely worth your attention. These Kleenex Pocket Packs are designed for ultimate portability. Each pack is compact enough to easily fit in your pocket, purse, backpack, or glove compartment, making them incredibly handy for travel, work, or everyday use. The size and packaging make it simple to carry tissues without bulk or fuss, which is perfect for those moments when you need a quick wipe or to handle runny noses and watery eyes. One of the standout features of these tissues is their triple-ply construction. This 3-ply design means you get thickness and durability, which makes them ultra-absorbent and strong. Whether you're dealing with a cold, allergies, or just need to freshen up, these tissues won't easily fall apart or leave you wanting more. Despite their strength, they still maintain a soft touch on the skin, striking a nice balance between durability and comfort. The tissues come in a classic white color without any prints, which keeps them simple and clean looking. They're made from recycled materials, so there's an environmental consideration in the production, which is a plus for those looking for more sustainable options. Measuring roughly 4.5 by 8.75 by 3.75 inches for the box and weighing only about 1.6 ounces, these tissue packs are light and compact, making them a perfect everyday essential. They are shrink-wrapped individually, ensuring each pack stays fresh and clean until you need it. Kleenex is a brand known for quality, and these pocket packs uphold that reputation. The packaging type and product dimensions make them very convenient to grab and go, with no hassle of tearing or damage before use. If you're someone who appreciates convenience, portability, and reliable quality in personal tissue packs, the Kleenex 16 Pocket Packs deliver just that. They're a smart choice for anyone looking to stay prepared and comfortable no matter where life takes them. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights and honest critiques. See you in the next video.